Welcome to today's modular classroom. Today we are going to see a wonderful Google powered AI tool which is Notebook LLM. So the first thing we have to sign into the Notebook LLM and we can create your first notebook. We can upload the files and or you can take the sources from various YouTubes, PDFs or websites. So add source. So I have logged into this Notebook LLM. Here you can upload your file which can be in form of PDF or document or anything. You can give the website links. You can upload any file from your drive. You can give the copied text or you can search any web resources etc. So you can bring any type of content into this notebook. Then after uploading your files, this notebook LLM summarizes your content, which is very different from this traditional note taking method. So you can also have some advanced features of audio reviews and podcast style summaries, and it even creates the briefing the docs type table contents, and it can organize the notes and you can even export the results. So the first thing is that I have uploaded a PDF file which is a JavaScript book. This PDF contains a lot of pages. So for example, it contains 436 page document. So after uploading this, I can have any kind of questions on events, event handling, or give any notes regarding that. So whatever questions we give, it generates the notes. So after I have uploaded the book, I can have any kind of details can be extracted from this book. The notes are being generated, and at the right side you can find audio review, video overview, and this audio can be generated in a lot of languages: Tamil, English, Marathi, Hindi, anything. So now you can find a lot of event handling content is being generated from the uploaded PDF. And see, I have given an audio content. I can give play.
This is the brief on the textbook JavaScript for Programmers by Paul J. and Harvey M. Detail. So, if you're an experienced pro,
so this is what I have given as a brief. Since once when we click on this audio overview, it will be asking us whether it is a brief content or a narrative type of content, anything. So it is already generated. So the previous thing is 15 minutes or 20 minutes content. This is a brief method.
This is the brief on the textbook JavaScript.
And you can also generate a data table, so which is generated here. So a tabulated data can be extracted from the content. You can generate an infographic style of information, which is already, I'll show you the content which is already generated. This is already generated in infographic message. So based on the content of the book, an infographic message will be generated. You can generate reports. So a report is being generated here. So these are some of the methods, and this is a quiz, computing the quiz, and it will hit around 10 questions has been generated. So second question out of 10 question. So you can go for elaboration. You can go take the next quiz and so on. So you can select the first question, third question. You can select the answer. You can also find the hint, go to the next question, and so on. And you can also find the video overview, get the reports. So this is one kind of report. So this is a comprehensive study guide. This is one of the report which is being generated with the tabulated data and so on. So we can generate quiz, infographic type of messages. You can go for mind mapping methods. So I'll show you the mind map here. So a mind map architectural foundation of JavaScript was also being generated. So this is based on the content which we upload. So a lot of mind maps are being generated, and we can download it in a single click. So really it is a wonderful tool for students, researchers, and the people who are involved in teaching, etc. So it does not only the audio overview and mind maps, but also have you can have a flashcard outputs, quiz, infographics, reports, data tables, and so on. So really this Notebook LLM by Google is a wonderful tool. We can go for visual presentations, extract structured data from the tables, flashcards, reports for written summaries, visualize connections using the mind maps. So, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the upcoming videos.